That is why we could have said that we have adjourned and left, and then they bring another motion for us to be recalled. No, but the speaker said, and we, the majority, also agreed that let's suspend, let them go and do the proper thing that ought to be done in terms of procedure. And
they have nothing to be corrected.
But they'll come back correcting something. You will see. And I could see from their faces that they were taken aback on a number of things. And even some of their members there, they don't even know that there was some list that they should sign. I mean, when you are coming, you need to come properly because it is at the expense of the nation. Members are coming during recess period. And we agree. We in the majority have nothing. You saw the trade minister there. He was ready there. And we were ready as well. But when you have not come properly, you cannot seek equity.
All right, thank you very much. I will leave you so that you can also join your meeting, and then in 30 minutes, we'll see you in the chamber. All right, so folks, we'll leave it here and then come back in the next 15